Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into what we proudly call the best stack racks on the market, the Amazon Basics Tabletop Stackable 4-Bottle Metal Wine Rack. If you're looking for an elegant, compact, and functional way to store your wine bottles, this could very well be the solution you've been waiting for. Let's begin with its design. At first glance, the Amazon Basics Wine Rack showcases a modern, minimalistic structure crafted entirely from durable steel. The black finish gives it a timeless appeal, easily fitting into various decor styles, whether you're placing it in a sleek urban kitchen or a cozy rustic bar corner. It's not just about looks though. This rack is built to perform, offering a stable and organized way to store your wine bottles right on your tabletop. Its dimensions are worth noting: 3.74 inches deep, 15.75 inches wide, and 7.87 inches high. This makes it an ideal choice for small spaces, apartments, or even for those who just want a compact and stylish way to showcase a few select bottles. But don't be fooled by the compact footprint. The thoughtful wave design holds up to 4 bottles securely and horizontally, which is essential for keeping your wine corks moist and your wine fresh. One of the standout features is its stackability. That's right, you can stack up to 3 tiers of this rack without any tools or installation. Whether you're just starting your collection or you're a seasoned wine enthusiast expanding your storage, this rack grows with you. And because each rack is freestanding, there's no complicated assembly. Just unpack, place it where you want, and you're good to go. The metal construction is not just about strength, it's also practical. The smooth steel finish makes it easy to clean. Just a simple wipe with a dry cloth keeps it looking brand new. Plus, because there are no plastic or wooden parts, you won't have to worry about wear and tear over time. This rack is built to last, even in busy kitchen environments. Shipping is available internationally, including to India, and while there's an import fees deposit, the overall price still makes this an excellent value. It's shipped directly from Amazon, which ensures prompt delivery and an easy return policy within 30 days in case anything doesn't meet your expectations. This rack isn't just about utility, it's about presentation. Whether you're hosting guests or simply enjoying a glass of wine after a long day. The Amazon Basics Wine Rack ensures that your bottles are displayed in a way that's both stylish and easily accessible. You'll be surprised at how much character this simple piece adds to your kitchen or bar area. To wrap up, if you're looking for a wine rack that balances quality, design, and convenience, the Amazon Basics Tabletop Stackable Wine Rack is a top contender. Its sleek look, durable build, and modular stackable design truly make it the best stack rack option for wine lovers of all kinds. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more trusted product breakdowns. See you in the next video.